So to jump right into it, on today's episode, we are going to be putting in a brand new starter on this engine to try to see if it'll crank over. And I have heard this thing run actually a few times before, and this thing sounds like almost like a late model race car. So I am really excited to see if we can actually get this thing running today, and we can kick off the adventure of this car and give you the right it deserves. So let's get started. I think I hear my dad pulling in now. Here's your wood.
Thank you. That other one. We got fresh 93 octane. It only takes 93.
Only the best.
500 cubic inch motor runs off pump gas.
Only the best for the best.
It's beautiful.
We'll look for any smoke.
What happened?
So I'm underneath the car here, and the reason why it stopped clicking and stopped turning, we had an alligator clip fall off of that starter, so we're gonna hook this back up and we're gonna give it another shot.
How you like that? Listen to that cam. Sing!
Jesus Christ.
Standing back, I'll do that.
Yeah. Yeah. It didn't drive.
Yeah, it must be. They drive. The wheels just stay over here. Sweet. Hit that fucker. I gotta get under there and put it in neutral. I didn't realize it was in drive. I know.
Oof.
Wow.
How'd you like that?
I love it.
Yeah, me too.
That's the song of my people.
Yeah, that sounded really good. And that's going to do it for the end of this episode, guys. We finally got it running after, 2 years now it's been sitting. So it honestly sounded pretty good. What do you think?
I think it sounds awesome.
Sounds really
That
good.
great oil pressure. Runs great. It doesn't seem it's timed in perfect. The carburetor's set pretty close. It's runs a little fat, but not too awfully bad.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, sounds amazing.
Yeah, we're definitely happy with the way it sounds. Definitely rewatched the video a couple times before making this outro here. But for the future plans, what are we planning on doing next?
I think that we're gonna wrap up the transmission. I've got the Hurst shifter in it, but I need to get the linkage all done to it, get it all set in there, get it mounted into the floor, get some transmission fluid in it. So I think we're gonna head that way first, and then possibly do the brakes.
Yep.
And then put some trinkets back together, get it on the road at least, under its own power.
For the first time in years, this thing hasn't been on the road in a long, long
do
time.
Some burnouts, maybe. I don't know.
It's good. Guarantee more likely. But yeah, that's gonna do it for the end of this episode. I hope you guys enjoyed, and we will see you on the next one. Peace.